The adoption of the Telecommunications Resolutions to operationalize the Electronic Act of 2013 has brought about drastic improvements in the telecommunications sector in the Kingdom of Swaziland. Swaziland Post and Telecommunication is one of the major players in the industry in the country. SPTC MD Petros Dlamini highlights some of the changes they have made in order for SPTC to remain relevant in the telecommunications sector in the country.
Nanathi ke sinesilive sinale Electronic Act ya 2013 lene ma clauses less comply kiwo. Clause ekuqala nje ithi le act SPTC ngoba le indase ivulekile SPTC akabonakale establish a wholesale division le business unit ya SPTC. The business lena ke provide the services to licensed operators. Ngabekisa nje ukuthi kona ka SPTC kuna Swazi Telecom lota uthenga ngala nabo Swazi MTN nabo Swazi Mobile even ema ISPs la licensed. Ma customer ale division si brandile ke le division sithi ke Infrastructure Connect or Infra Connect. That's the new brand. I think ibonile logo yabo. Kuyimcoka logo as part of our compliance. Lokunye lesikwendile kuthi ke le retail arm of SPTC of Swazi Telecom, the Swazi Telecom usilomthetho asiregister ibe subsidiary ya SPTC. Sesikwendile ke lo ngekusupportwa i-shareholder. So Swazi Telecom is now a fully registered subsidiary which is also a public company. Le nkampani lena ke ikhona provide the services lesithi ke a technology neutral. Shosinya i-license yethu ya Swazi Telecom i-technology neutral. Kusho ukuthi Swazi Telecom ta khona ku computer nalama ama operators ngokuthi provide the fixed line services in the last mile including mobile services. Uvile nokuthi sesi review le ma prices a wholesale. We are currently reviewing my prices at retail. Konke lokho kutakwenda ukuthi affordability ibe khona to provide services nekuthi ama customer ethu athole ama services la affordable.
SPTC has also forged a partnership with a Taiwanese-based company in an effort to be effective in the sector. The company's MD Leo Wu says the public will indeed benefit from the changes they are bringing.
Now we want to provide a super Wi-Fi with a clouding service to SPTC. This kind of clouding can provide a security, availability, relatives, a different type of the application in Swaziland. So this is quite a benefit for the Swaziland.
The Minister for ICT, Dumsani Dlangamandla, has also commended SPTC for all the changes she has made thus far.
Naloko futhi ngolivele likufunako lokho ngoba nakwehla lama cost kusho ukuthi kutawubenefita leSwati. Nyalo nje sesiyabuka nabathi nje ehlile ama cost emaswati asatawuvela abuke ukuthi kusho ukuthi nenzaba yokushaya tincingo nekwenta bo data nako konke kutakwehla.
For Swazi TV News, I'm LinkedIn Kule Matsapa.